Yo YouTubers, it's your boy Chris Grow back. I got another pack, man. These supposed to be on Space Jam 11, boy. Well, crack them open. Got the handy dandy pocket knife. I don't see how these things coming. These from AliExpress. So I don't see how these. Yeah, I saw them for a good while at a good price, man. So I was like, yeah, when I get the money, I'm about to snatch them up. So had the money, I paid them, and I said I want these things. Took about 2 weeks, man. I ordered them like toward the beginning of this month. As you see, I still got the bag of death. Bag of death right here. I hate these bags, man. Hey, your shit come on done up and shit. Box come on messed up. But hey, you don't wear the box. And if you do, you got some damn problems if you wear the boxes on your feet. Oh hell yeah, it's dented in like a mug. Okay. White, beat up white Jumpman. Jumpman, at least Jumpman is good on them. You got your Jordan on this side. Got your Jordan on that side. Got your tag. It's just a black and royal. Size 10. Got your Jumpman. No suggested retail. Well, let me look at them. Let's open them up. True. Oh. Hell. They look pretty. They look nice though. Oh hell no. They're not. These were supposed to be authentics, but they're not. They're because they got it's a hard plastic, carbon fiber, and see that Jumpman back there ugly. I mean that 23 back there ugly. It already got the little cracking on it. Yeah, check that damn Jumpman out. They got like little stitching fingers and stuff. Hey, anybody want these, man? Cause hell, I'm about to. At least the toe cap look equaled out. I'm gonna see. Yeah, you definitely about to get a refund. I'm about to. Yeah, let me see. I got third spacing. Got third. Oh, I got real. At least I got good third spacing on them. Got good third spacing on the shoes. But yeah, that jump. Man, I don't know. I might just get a 23 fix though. Yeah, I have to get the money for them, but yeah. I get the 20. See, I'll probably just get a 23 fix for them if I can't get my money back on them. 23 fixing them. Yeah, it's textured. At least it's a textured plastic, but some 23s is looking ugly though. They don't look right. Patent leather look pretty good. You got these little basic string laces. They ain't thick laces, but they strings. So the Jumpmans, yeah, they look okay. They look okay. They got a little no stitching out the ass. Pretty good. But they got some dust on it. But hell. Well, Space Jam 11s, man. If I can't sell them, I'll put a vid up, a for sale vid. It'll be for the low though. It'll be for the low. For the low though. For the low. They going for the low. Shit. These scissors go for like 160, 170 on some sites, man. They'll be probably about 100. Probably. I'm gonna put them in the 80 to 100 range, depending on how I feel. And if I can make the fixes on them, I won't do them. So as I say, I update y'all on these if I'm gonna sell them, if I can't get the money for them. But YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, and share these pics, share my videos, man. Peace.